Cooking in a solo microwave. Does the auto cook menu really gives the accurate result? What do you think? Recently, I developed an interest in using the auto cook menu and the results were different. The first time I'm trying to roast peanuts in solo microwave using the auto cook menus. I'm using my LG solo microwave 30 liters and here under quick bites there is peanuts which is a snack and it is giving a 2:4 ratio over there. I will just select the auto cook menu as you can see and it's around 100 grams. So let's start. So this selection will take around 3 minutes as you can see on the screen and in midway I will just open and check and just give it a toss. We need to ensure that it doesn't get burned and it is browned on both the sides. That's why we need to toss it in between. Now the timing is over and let's check whether it is done properly or not. It's quite hot right now. The utensil has also got hot. Preferably use a glass or ceramic bowl or plate for roasting any kind of ingredients. And look at the peanuts. It seems to have got a crack in between. It looks like it is done. It is still hot. Once it cools, you will know that whether it has become crispy or not. If the skin peels off easily, it suggests it is done, but you need to check it by tasting it. My results were not accurate as per the timing. I had to give an additional minute, that means total of 4 minutes to roast the peanut, and then it was perfect. Little adjustment in the timing will make it perfect.